All right, giant gator alert in the path. Actually, it's 2 gators. They heard Denise. The big one did. Let's see what's gonna happen.
I think you're gonna get eaten.
What's up? Everything's not good. Whoa. That is not good. Is that a warning?
Yeah, I told you that was a baby.
All right. We're friends. We're friends. We're friends. We're good friends. Uh-oh, hold on. It's hissing again. Okay, so it's Denise's turn. It's not too big of a gator, right? All right, Denise, show us how it's done. There she goes. Ooh, listen to that. This one has the alert system going.
I want a photograph of those teeth.
Yeah, she's going down. Down, down, down.
Her tail's missing.
Lowering air.
Come back up.